This is my brand new modular rural kill team board. This was built for a client who has it already, but the tutorial for this is now available on my Patreon. So in this, I'll be showing you all the different cuts, all the different texturing, all the different detail, how to flock it, how to make it look like it looks, basically. And that's a full 30-minute tutorial, which if you're a Patreon member is available to you right now. And my membership starts at just $2 a month. And the board itself, well, it consists of a two-way hill and a four-way ruin. Now, the two-way hill can be split however you want it to be. It can be a hill if you want it to be, or it can be split like a chasm as you're seeing on screen right now. Now, the ruins, each part of the four-part ruins is completely different to the other parts. So there's different ways up, there's different heights, there's different nooks and crannies, all connected by an interconnecting doorway, which matches up on every single tile. There's vines that act as ladders so you can climb between layers. There's all the different bits of rubble and there's leaves growing on the vines. I've spared no expense when it's come to the detail of this thing. I wanted to create something for my client that was both incredibly fun to play on, most importantly, but also something that was absolutely breathtaking to look at. And you know what? I think I achieved it. So believe it or not, this is actually easier than you might think it is. Good enough scenery is achievable for everyone with a bit of patience. If you want to make something like this, whether you're inspired by it or whether you just want to support the channel a bit more, then head over to my Patreon, which is patreon.com/goodenoughscenery, where you can be watching this tutorial for just $2. See you there.